So here are some sticker brands, and my favorite one is this Creators Co. You can find them from here. Like there are different products, but we will only search for stickers. So stickers they have from 25 rupees, but the good thing about them is this straight stickers. These are very hard to find. You have to really dig in the sites which I am going to show you to find these stickers. They have priced it a little bit overpriced. Like you can find such stickers on 50 if you are able to find. There are also 10% discounts on orders which are prepaid, so you can buy accordingly. So these are really cool straight stickers. I like them really. I'm from Himachal, so there is also a sticker for that. You will see it if you come here. Next, the site is uh, Indian site. Okay, Maya stickers. Like that was, I don't know they are Indian or not, but they look like Western sites because of the quotes are like that. So this is purely Indian. So these Maya stickers, you can easily find the Hanumanji on the back of the cars you have seen, and also Adi Yogi stickers. Okay, you just have to search here. All the Indian stickers you will find here. Prices are a little bit on the higher side. Okay, next coming to Amazon. Yeah, Amazon. One second. Amazon is also a really cool place to find stickers. Okay, you can find also the good stickers, like of all the different sites clubbed into one. So but here you have to dig really hard. Okay, so Creator was easy to search, little bit expensive. Now let's come to cheap and easy to search. So that's 100 kmph. They create other merchandise also, but stickers is our content. So they have really cool stickers. Okay, 50 rupees is the pricing. They were previously 25 rupees in the sale, but unfortunately it's over. They also provide with some kind of discounts. So these are really cool stickers. You can come here. Next, coming to inline 4. Inline 4 stickers are a little bit Western touch, but you can find topic relevant stickers like candy stickers here. Candy, Candela Lewis, like you know the rider Candela. I don't know the name properly, but like the woman rider of India riding a blue Dominar. Yeah, you might be knowing her. So that kind of stickers you can find here, but here also the stickers are not, these are big stickers like for car size. You can also find car stickers in this site. That's a plus point. If you sort by like one second, uh, if you sort by prices from low to high, one second, yeah, you will find in the range that is acceptable, that's standard in the online world. 49 rupees for a good sticker. I don't know why they are making so expensive. Now let's come to another Indian brand. This I know, this is from Gujarat. I have seen a video on YouTube. So choose your brand. This is a little different kind of sticker, like bike specific stickers. Like if you have a model, these are offer a full decals for your bike. They have certain specific side kind of bikes or scooties. So like if I go to the shop, they have also got individual stickers. But majorly dealing in that, like yeah, I show you, like yeah, small sticker logo. Yes, small sticker logos like this, but these are also in the range of 50. You can find good quality stickers here. Yeah, but here the benefit is if you want to do a full wrap or specific custom wrap, there are also offers for that. Next, coming to Motorevs. Motorevs here you can also find in the range of 50. Okay, this is another site. You can definitely come visit here. Then is the Orbis. Orbis, a little bit expensive side stickers I'm finding. Let's see if they have some default sorting. No, I don't find any. Let's go to page number 16 for a random check. Yes, their stickers are expensive, but there are cool stickers. So there are also other products here, so you can find accordingly. Then is the crisscross stickers. mm, let's come to home and see. Yeah, there are stickers, easy to find from here. So here also there are 50 Telangana. You can also find state stickers if you search, not sorted by any, but there will be, the stickers are less here. There are only 2 pages. The most variety I think you will find in 100 kmph. Then is the creators co. Then inline 4 also has a good variety. Then inline 4, 100 kmph, co creators co. Yeah, Amazon full of stickers, but he's hard to find. Then is another brand. This is Orbis. Oh, Orbis I have shown you. So that's all for, I think, small CR sticker. Yes, this is one, the Misfit. Yeah, there are stickers. So clicking on that, exciting stickers also. So there are also range of 50 good stickers. You can find them 50, 50, 25. That's the range. 25, little bit cheap ones also. 50 you can take as a standard. Like 50 is the sticker. Other than that, if you are in Delhi, you can visit Karol Bagh. There you can easily find stickers, but the quality I don't know, and the pricing here there you can find some specific stickers. Okay, like I visited there, so I found the Himalayan flag in sticker format there, but that was really expensive. Like it costed about 200 rupees. So that's about Karol Bagh. So thanks for watching, and please ask for comments. Thank you. Enjoy.